Good morning, Sarah. Good morning, Pepper. Hi, baby. How do we feel about a greenie? Well, this one's nice and small, so you'll get the half. You'll get a whole. Okay, Pepper. I'm someone you can take home to meet your mom and pa and your trashy little cupcake dressed in polka dots. So be allowed. Hi, Cheeto. Are you hungry? The cowboy that I'm looking for. Hi, baby. Come here. It's gonna take time to get there. Oh, you little Chi-Chi. It's gonna take time to get there. It is 10:58 in the morning. I feel like I've already done half of a day. Hey, Say. So happy. Look at that tail. I love the way they crunch it. It's so cute. The place that we're walking, Kendall, is right off of a pond. It is absolutely stunning. It's just wild to me that this is an hour outside of Manhattan. Yeah, I found you outside, baby. You know I found you standing in the rain. Hi, Luna. You were holding a pound of heartache. Hi, Paulo. Ready? He looks like a young hawk. I'm just gonna slowly drive up, see if he bounces. There he goes. Yes, we're so excited. We're so excited. But I think after we play a little bit of ball, we're gonna take a nap. We just woke up from an hour and a half nap. It was much needed. I feel very groggy. He needs to have some dinner, and so do I. So let's go do that. Hello again, Miss Kendall. Here is a plaque that says Summer Home of Booker T. Washington. It does look like, I don't know if it's because it's historical, but gosh, I hope they fix it. What a gorgeous view he had. We were back with Cheeto. He is deaf, so he doesn't know I'm here unless he feels air or I pat next to him. But he is slumbering away. I put this on before for him, just cat TV. Oh my goodness. You coming over? You want some pets? It's gonna take some time, we wanna make it last.